Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ethereal top on Dress to Impress super quick, and you only need 2 items and you don't need VIP. Grab this crown. It is under codes right here, this one, and you can color it to whatever color you want. I chose gold for mine in the first toggle. Position the Y to 0.29, Z to 0.52. Rotate the X to 0.54, Z 0.75, and scale it to 0.39. Then you're going to want to grab this, which you got from codes as well, and you're going to want to toggle it to the top only toggle. Color it the same color and you're done. You can just style that top however you like. And that is how you can create this ethereal unique top on Dress to Impress. It does move quite a lot. If you wanted to stay still, you can just use the mannequin pose, but you do have to kind of adjust it if it's too far out here, but as you can see, it is still. But if you want to like adjust it so it's not too far out, you can rotate it this way and in a little bit more, maybe. Maybe I like it like this a little bit more, like downwards, I guess. But you can kind of adjust it once you've done rotating everything. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.